Okay. So now we'll have our interior materials. So as we all know, no, so this is the very important aspect of our interiors. So we will consider now our materials for our particular room or particular space to be considered. Okay. So first, no, let's have our materials. So ano ba yung materials? So materials, no, are matter or substance, no, that objects are made from. So particularly, no, we use a wide range of different materials daily, which includes what? Metal, plastic, wood, no? So these are the materials that are existing in our market. So material is a relative term, no, in architectural design, and so may be used, no, to designate materials which are considered to be virtual, such as pwede ring photographs, no, images or text, or other materials which are natural, which are the metal, wood, no, or materials in considerations to be in a combination of these two, which are the plastics or the UPVC, no, yung mga ganyan. Yan yung mga kind of materials that we use in our interiors. So nowadays, no, in our modern technology, so nauuso na din yung mga WPC. So when we say WPC, ito yung um long-lasting material, no, which replacing our traditional construction materials. When we say um WPC, ito yung mga wood plastic composite boards um or tubulars, no, na existing sa ating mga markets, no? So, isa pa, no, our materials has significant role, no, in creating the desired atmosphere of interior spaces, no? So, with this, no, the material board can show the relationship between materials and finishes. Okay? So, ano ba yung material board? Material boards or mood boards, no, are collage created with pictures of building styles, colors, patterns, and products. They are a fun way, no, for architects or designers to share ideas when they are thinking about how to design or decorate a new space or place, no? So, ano ba yung purpose ng mood board? So, the mood board, no, can serve many purposes, starting with organizing the inspiration, no, around a project. They can be a valuable resource throughout the design project to help keep the style and the aesthetic consistent and on track dun sa ating client's goal and the expectation. So, ito po yung arrangement ng theme na gusto natin doon sa characterization ng per room. Okay? So for example, no, dito sa ating slides, no, like on the left side, no, ano po ito? Ito yung harmony and unity with colors, no, and tones, no, presented with different finishes. Ito naman sa isa, no, it's a contrast between the modern and the slick finish, no, of the stone and brass with a softened touch, no, with the wood character. Okay? Next slide. So, what is the interior design mood board or material board? As we all know, no, the mood board is also known as the material board, no? So ano ba 'yon? Ito po ay ang canvas in which our design, no, our design team or personally, an interior designer or a designer, no, has a fixed of a varied range of sample materials from their design concept that is being developed, no, in our particular studio. So a mood board, no, is a collection of images, materials, and other design elements that that represents the look, no, feel, and emotion you want, no, for your home or office. It can be a great way to get inspired and start putting together, you know, the design elements you'll need to achieve the look you're going for or what you are leading to. Kung ano man yung gusto po natin dun sa ating mga interior space. Okay? So what can help these mood boards, no? As a designer, no, you know that putting together a mood board and material board, no, is an essential part of a design process. But what are they, no, and what role, no, do they play in our work, no? So, dito na malalaman natin kung ano ba yung mood board material, etc. So the mood board, no, again, is a collection of images and materials and other design elements that represents a particular look, no? So the mood boards, no, can be created for any interior design project, large or small. So they're often used, no, by professional designers to communicate their vision dun sa client. Kung ano yung particular na gusto ng kliyente. Siyempre makikipag-meeting ka, no, with the client, and then they will tell you kung ano yung gusto nila. And then by the use of these mood boards, no, you can show, no, or you can communicate well kung ano yung gusto nilang makita, no? So by the use of this particular images that you are collating, no? So hindi lang po yung client ang makakapag-benefit nito. So it can be also benefiting um, other people, no, na makakakita ng inyong mood board. So they are great starting point, no, of our design process. So ano yung mga nakikita? Number one is give you a visual representation of look and feel you want for your space. So ito yung theme na sinasabi natin. Kung ano yung gusto nating ma-feel dun sa particular space na yon. Second is help you get inspired and come up, no, with new ideas. So para mapagsama-sama yung mga bagong ideas natin, no? Communicate your design vision to others para mas ma-visualize kung ano yung gusto mong sabihin. Kasi some of the technical aspects na hindi natin naiintindihan ay pwede nating ipakita by the use of images. Okay? Then help you put together the design elements you need to achieve, no, your desired look and feel, such as color, texture, and pattern. So before we can explain, no, why we use mood boards, it is important to know yung ating mood board canvas. So, the board also may contain, no, samples of furniture and upholstery fabrics, wood, no, our tiles, metal stones, or stone and wall coverings, no, para mas makita kung ano ba yung magiging itsura ng ating gustong sabihin. Next. So, um, how do you make an architectural mood board? Examples, no? So number one is define the overall look and feel you want to do with your space. So mix different types of media, such as photos, no, illustrations, and patterns. So this will determine your style. Okay. Number two, gather inspiration. So you use catalogs and magazines, no, for your guide images. So ito, no, makikita natin yung items para mas makita nung ating mga kliyente. Okay? Number three, start putting it all together. So ito guys, no, you can create a 3D mood boards by the use of this application, yung Moto board, no? Makikita niyo po yan online. So pwede rin po by the use of Canvas kung gusto po natin or Photoshop software. Pwede rin para pagsama-sama natin yung ating ma-achieve yung gusto nating feel dun sa interior na gusto nating ipakita. Okay? So, um, you can ask yourself by the common themes that you want to achieve, no? So, makikita po yan through magazines and clippings. Okay? And of course, no, add finishing touches. So, once your mood board is complete, no, take step back and see if anything is missing. Siyempre, may mga times na meron po tayo na skip through the process. Meron po tayong mga makikitang swatches para mas madali nating maipakita yung gusto nating finishes such as yung mga marble, mga wood samples, no? Mga coverings, mga cabinets, yan. So, and lastly, no, use your mood board as a starting point for your design process. So, once you have completed, no, the cohesive mood board, you can start using it as a guide, no, by putting it together with the rest of your design. So, it can help you choose furniture, select paint colors, and find accessories that will help you achieve the look you're going for. So, for example, no, 'di ba we have created na yung ating blow up plan for the kitchen and for the bedroom. So, for the elevations na pinresent natin, mas makikita po ng ating client kung meron tayo mga particular um, maipapakita na standard na furniture, no, na makikita sa market doon sa ating mood para mas ma-appreciate nila kung ano yung gusto natin ipakita doon sa drawing. Okay? Next. So creating a mood board, no, is a great way to inspire and start putting together the design elements. So ano ba yung kailangan natin include, no, doon sa ating mood board? So textiles, fabric swatches, area rugs, kasama po yan, paint color palette, no, or overall color schemes, wood finishes, furnishings, home decor accessories, light fixtures, kasama din po yan, as well as yung mga plumbing fixtures, as well as sinks, water closets, lavatory, yan, kasama yan sa mga ating mga ipapakita dyan sa ating mood boards. Okay? So colors, no? Remember, no, a mood board is just an inspiration. It doesn't have to be perfect. The goal is to get your creative juices flowing so you can start bringing your vision to life by the choices you created through colors, textures, patterns, no, materials, furniture, and accessories para mabuhay yung inyong space. Okay? So, next. So, ano ba yung mga major elements in interior design? So, para ma-consider natin yung pag-select ng mga materials. Okay? Ceiling. So, the ceiling, no, um, as we all know, no, ceiling is the overhead surface or surfaces covering a room and the underside of the floor or a roof. Okay? So ceilings are often used to hide floor or roof constructions. So ceilings help create enclosure, no, and separation between spaces. They help what? Control the diffusion of light and sound around your room, and also prevent what? The passage of sound between rooms. So, ano ba yung mga kailangan natin, no? As an architect para ma-prepare ating special layout for an interior concept. So, kasama po dyan yung reflected ceiling plan. When we say reflected ceiling plan, makikita dyan yung mga beams, moldings, covers. Okay, when we say covers, no, ito yung mga series of rectangular or square or octagonal grids, no, within recess or three-dimensional panels. So the word covers means indentation, no? Ibig sabihin naka-square-square po siya. Ganon, no? Kumbaga parang ito, no, yung nandito sa ating backing, balik tayo Yan. Parang ganito yung ating covered ceiling. Okay? So the finish na it's either paint, wallpaper, or sandblasting. Yan. And then preparation, closed joints no in the plywood, open joints in the pattern as well. Okay? So kasama din po dyan yung mga electrical outlets, mga pin lights, recessed pin lights, no? Then center, ceiling fixtures, recessed acrylic lighting. Okay? So yan. Yan po yun. No? So the ceiling, no, is an important element of the room interior design and defines its aesthetics. Okay? Next, wall. For the wall, ayan. So a wall, no, is a structure or a surface that defines the area, carries a load, no, provides a security, shelter or soundproofing, or is decorative, pwede siya. So there are many kinds of walls, no? So walls in a building that form a fundamental part, no, of the superstructure or a separate interior rooms, no, or sometimes for fire safety. Okay. So walls, no, quite literally make up the room and can play a huge role, no, in setting the tone of your interior. So wall treatments, no, allow us to play around with the aesthetic look and feel no, of the walls. So it is an easy way no, to enhance the space and a deciding factor no, of the ambience of the room. Okay? So the inside surface of the walls no, is usually covered with what? Drywall, no? Minsan pwede po siyang um, plaster. Yan, mga ganyan, no? So, um, ang mga finishes na pwede nating i-apply dito sa mga particular walls na ito ay pwedeng paint, pwedeng vinyl, pwedeng wallpaper covering, pwedeng WPC, no? O yung wood plastic composite, no? And then pwede rin po tayo malagay ng mga acoustical finishes, no? Yan. Floor. So, ano ba yung floor? Floor naman, no, is the foundation of the home and sets the stage, no, for all other interior design elements. It's one of the first things, no, that people notice when they enter a room and can impact their perception of the space. The right flooring, no, can make a small space feel larger and add warmth to a room. So flooring, no, is the crucial part of any interior design and can easily make or break your space. So our first interaction with space, no, is visual. So the first physical contact, no, a person will have with your space is of course your flooring. Okay? So the floor, no, is subject to what? To direct wear and represents the major portion of a room. So ano ba yung mga kailangan nating aesthetic criteria? First is durability, then ease of maintenance, foot comfort, sleep resistance, and also the impact noise. Okay? So what are the examples, no? It can be either hardwood, ceramic tile, vinyl, linoleum, carpets, or even rugs. Okay? So this one, no, serves as the foundation of our design. and can what? Ultimately impact its overall success of our interior designing of a particular space. Okay? Yan.